Hi, this is Funline Maths. I'll be solving a question or two questions on fractions. Are you ready? Let's go. The question says, for number one, multiply. There are two questions. It says multiply these fractions. 2 over 5 times is a proper fraction times 5 whole number 1 over 4. Step 1 is to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So we have 5 whole number 1 over 4. How do we convert this? I'm going to multiply 5 by 4. Then the result will be added to 1. So if you to convert this, we have 4 times 5. Then what we have, we add it to 1. We'll still keep our denominator 4. So that 4 times 5, which is 20 plus 1 over 4. And that is 21 over 4. That is step number 1. Now, step number 2 is to come back to the question and replace what we have. So we have 2 over 5 times 5 whole number 1 over 4. That can be written as 2 over 5 times, this has been changed to 21 over 4. So this is times 21 over 4. I can multiply both numerators and multiply denominators separately. But to make it easy for me, I'm going to divide 4 by 2. Since 2 is a factor of 4. Okay, so if you divide 2 by itself, you'll be left with 1. If you divide 4 by 2, you'll be left with 2. So we have 1 times 21, which is 21, over 5 times 2, which is 10. Now, the last step is to convert this to a mixed fraction. So step number 3. Convert this to a mixed fraction. That is, how many times will 21 be divided by 10? 2 times. But there's a remainder, which is 1. So that's 1 over, put this denominator 10. So that's how we multiply number 1. So let's go to number 2. For number 2, the same process, right? Okay, so we will, step 1, convert this to an improper fraction. So the same process, 2 whole number 3 over 5, multiply 2 with 5, add 1 to it. Sorry, add the numerator to it. So this becomes 2 times 5 plus 3. Don't forget the denominator, which is still 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 over 5. And that is 13 over 5. So coming back to the question, we have 2 whole number 3 over 5 times 3. We will write this as, this 3 is a whole number. We will write this as 13 over 5. So that's step number 2, now replacing the mixed fraction with the improper fraction we got. Okay, so 13 over 5 times 3. Now you see that that 3 is very big, right? So I'm going to change 3 and make it look like a fraction. 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. 3 over 1. So now we can multiply numerators and denominators separately. 13 times 3, that's 39, over 5 times 1, that is 5. So step number 3, we will convert this to a mixed fraction. How many times will 39 be divided by 5? That's 35 divided by 5, 7. And we'll be left with 4 over 5. So that's my answer. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Till we meet again, it is goodbye from me. Stay safe.